a healthy diet? Take miniature nachos. Out of Pringles? Take a huge can. We've got crackers for a picnic to satisfy everybody. The snacks of different sizes will certainly amaze you. Watch our new video and choose which of the snacks you like the most. Redhead is a real magician when it comes to food. Voila! And she takes out mini chips right out of my hair. Cut a banana into thin slices. Use a straw or a cap to cut out small circles. Put them on parchment paper. Set a dry fruits mode on a microwave and put them in. Make a mini banana chips package. Put in the chips when ready. Trim the edges of the wrapper. I can't believe that a banana has been in my hair this whole time. No wonder that the back of my head has been itching the whole morning. Redhead is not just a magician, she is also a dietitian. Except that she has kept a normal-sized chips bag for herself. She's so cunning. I want the same one. Time flies when you are having a friendly chat, and you also run out of chips fast. But Redhead knows how to make Pringles stock bigger. You just have to make a big pack of your favorite snack. Knead dough of mashed potatoes and flour. Roll it out thin. Cut it out, tracing a round plate. Put it on parchment paper and bake it in an oven for 15 to 20 minutes at about 280 to 320 degrees Fahrenheit. Cover the chips with oil when ready. Blot the excess oil with a napkin or a paper towel. Add some salt. Cut off the excess rim of a big plastic container. Attach a big printed Pringles label to a wide strip of red paper. Wrap it around the container. Print a black and white logo seal with a tab and attach it to the inside of the plastic lid. Put the chips into the can. Redhead opens her chips stash. That's exactly what I meant! This Pringles package will be enough for the whole night of a friendly chat. A picnic in the park is a great idea, especially when you have tuck crackers of incredible size. Put in 2 teaspoonfuls of salt in 7 ounces of flour. Grate 4 ounces of cold butter. Mix everything quickly. Pour 2 fluid ounces of milk and knead the dough. Add 2 ounces of grated Parmesan. Cover the dough with plastic wrap and put it into a fridge for an hour. Sprinkle parchment paper with flour and roll out the dough so that it is 1/4 of an inch thick. Make a rectangular cracker shape cutting off the corners. Make holes with a straw like the ones on the real cracker. Make the logo in the center. Bake it for 20 to 30 minutes in an oven at the temperature of 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Cover one side of a big yellow paper piece with foil. Print a big cracker label and attach it to the other side. Hot glue the package and put in the cracker. Emma tears the package apart. So this is how a giant tuck cracker looks. Redhead looks in awe at the super cracker. She bites off a piece. Mmm, so delicious. But my friend's crackers must be better. Unfortunately, no. Our crackers are the same. They are so huge that my jaw has gotten tired of chewing. And we've got a baby cracker for those who like miniature things. It is so tiny. Be careful not to lose it. Sprinkle a board with flour and roll out yeast-free dough thin. Cut it into 1/2-inch strips and cut each to make rectangles with the cut-off corners. Make holes with a toothpick, creating a tuck logo. Put the raw crackers on parchment paper. add salt and spices. Turn on a grill mode in a microwave and bake the crackers for 20 minutes. Cut out a miniature copy of a tuck cookie wrapper. Coat it with clear tape and double tape the package.